Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing Xiaomi Redmi 7. So let's unbox. Here the phone comes. But we can keep it aside. So we can see what inside the box. Here comes a SIM ejector tool and its manual and a charger and its HSPA cable. The phone comes with two variants, 2GB plus 32GB and 3GB plus 32GB. It also have various colors like Eclipse Black, Comet Blue and Lunar Red. The main specifications of this phone is it has 15.9cm dot notch display with Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with 5000 mAh 2-day battery life. It also has 12MB plus 2MB AI dual camera. It also has 2 plus 1 S card slot design. The camera is 12MB plus 2MB AI dual camera. It has HDR, AI portrait mode, face recognition, AI beautiful, AI scene detection. The front camera is 8MB selfie camera. It also have AI beautify, AI portrait mode, HDR, screen flash, selfie timer and face recognition. It also has a fingerprint sensor and face recognition. It's one of the most budget-friendly phone available in the market. It costs about 8,000 Indian rupees.